Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to add photos to a frame in Canva. Now it's a very easy process, so all you have to do is firstly come to Canva, then go to the app section over here. Now in apps you have to get the app called mockups. So just simply search for mockups over here and then just simply click on it. After that you will find a panel something like this. Now you will have a lot of mockups as you can see it over here, but below you will find a column for frames. So click on see all and over here you will find a huge variety of frames that you can use. So let's say for example you want a mockup frame for your phone, so drag and drop that or just simply click on it. Now you will have a mockup over here. Now to add the image inside the photo frame, what you have to do is just simply upload your photo, whatever photo you want, and drag and drop onto the mockup. Now give it a few seconds and just like that your image will be inside the frame. You can do this with multiple frames if you want to. If you want to add this in a different frame, like for example this frame over here, just simply click on the frame, then resize it. Now just simply drag and drop your photo into the frame. So you can drag and drop any photo, for example this one, just simply drag and drop, and just like that your photo is inside the frame. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to our channel, and take care.